This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the entertainment package, a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Chevrolet MyLink, a Bose stereo system, big 20-inch wheels, leather seats, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.